This is Venkatesh. In this video, I am going to explain most important feature of JDK 15, that is sealed class. In this video, I am going to explain about sealed class. See, first of all, without class, we cannot develop applications in Java language. So I'll write one class name demo. Without main method, we cannot execute program under operating system. That's what I'll write one main method, public static void main string aux. Now I'll explain about sealed class. What is sealed class? I'll show you. First of all, I'll write one class, something called graphics, and one more class. I'll write class square extends graphics, one more class rectangle extends graphics, one more class circle extends graphics, one more class polygon extends graphics. See here, graphics class inherited in square class, rectangle class, circle class, polygon class. Now I want to restrict my graphics class to three classes only: square, rectangle and circle. I don't want to allow to extend in a polygon class. Then we need sealed class. Say up to here, if I compile and execute, it will compile successfully. See, file, save. I'll compile javac demo.java. Now it is successfully compiled. What I want is, I want to restrict my graphics class to inherit in three classes only: square class, rectangle class and circle class. I don't want to allow to extend in a polygon class. We can restrict. For that one only sealed class concept introduced. Say, just attach sealed keyword, sealed class graphics, where you want to allow permits square, comma, rectangle, comma, circle. Now graphics class is a sealed class which permits square class, rectangle class and circle class. Now it is not allowed to inherit graphics class in a polygon class. Now if I compile, what will be happen? See, file, save. See, javac demo.java. Here we are getting two errors. I'll explain why we are getting two errors. Here, first one, it is preview feature. That's what compulsory we have to use -enable -preview while compiling. This option compulsory we have to use. Okay. Now see, compilation, javac -source 15 hyphen enable hyphen preview demo.java. We have to compile like this. See, we are getting 4 errors. Here subclasses, square class, rectangle class, circle class, these classes must be declared with either sealed or non-sealed or final. So I'll go for non-sealed. See, non-sealed. It is also non-sealed. It is also non-sealed. Now, graphics class permits square class, rectangle class and circle class. So graphics class you can inherit only in 3 classes. Other than 3, if you inherit, you'll get error. Now, square class, rectangle class, circle class, these are non-sealed classes. Okay. Now, if I compile, what will happen? See, file, save. Java C. This is preview feature. That's what we have to compile like this only. See, we are getting one error, that is polygon place. See, class is not allowed to extend sealed class graphics in a polygon class. That's what I'll remove that one. Now this is the concept of sealed class. I'll remove this one. Now graphics class is sealed class. We can inherit only in 3 classes: square class, rectangle class and circle class. So square class, rectangle class and circle class are subclasses of graphics class. Graphics class permitted to only 3 classes, and subclasses must be declared with sealed or non-sealed or final. Now this graphics class can be abstract class also, graphics can be interface also. Suppose I'll take one example, abstract, sealed abstract class. Sealed abstract class. See, now also it will compile. File, save. Now also it will compile. So it is compiled successfully. Now in this class, one method I'll write, abstract method, abstract void draw. It is abstract method. Whenever abstract class is inherited, then all abstract methods of an abstract class must be overridden in a subclass. So in this class we have to override abstract method, that is draw. Draw method I am overriding. Here you can write the code of draw method. Say, suppose example, system.out.println something square. This method we must override in rectangle class also and circle class also. So here also I'll override the method. See, this draw method I'm going to override in rectangle class also. But here just output I'm writing rectangle class. Okay, same method I'll override in circle class also. Here just I'm writing circle, just output I'm writing circle. Okay, now graphics class is a sealed abstract class. Abstract class already you know, but sealed class. This class can be inherited only in three classes: square class, rectangle class, and circle class. Now like that, three classes I inherited, method I overridden. And now here graphics G equal to new square. Square is a subclass of graphics class. Square class object created and assigned to graphics reference. Now G dot draw. Then you'll get the output square, because in draw method I am printing square here. So square. See, file, save. I'll compile. See, compilation, success, execution. Execution also you have to execute like this only: -enable -preview demo. See, output square. Now in the place of square, new square, you can write new rectangle also. Then rectangle is output comes. See, file, save. Compilation, execution. Java -enable -preview demo. See, output rectangle. Now you can write here square also, circle also. Circle, file, save. Now you can compile. Now you can execute circle. Now this one dynamically also we can pass this class. Say what we can do, there is a for name method in a class that is static method that returns class only. So class C equal to class dot for name. Now class name at the command prompt you can pass, that is args of 0, first argument. Whatever you pass at the command prompt class name, that is received here as a first argument, that index is 0, so args of 0. That class loaded. After loading that class, there is a method new instance. So with that you will get the object. Say you can assign to graphics class. See, graphics G equal to, it returns object class. That's what typecasting required. So graphics C dot new instance. Now whichever class you pass, that class object comes assigned to graphics. With upcasting feature it is assigned. Now G dot draw, whichever class you pass dynamically, that draw method called. With that output comes. Say file, save. Now I'll compile Java C. See, compilation. Here it will throw exception, class not found exception, instantiation exception. That's what must be handled. So for that we have to write try catch blocks. So try, that for name method, new instance methods will throw exception. That's the reason we have to handle with try catch blocks. Those are checked exception. Checked exceptions must be handled by programmer explicitly, otherwise compile time error occurs. That's what we have to handle these exceptions. file, save, file, save. Now I'll compile. See, Java C compilation. Now execution. Here command line arguments. Suppose I am passing square, then square class draw method called, output also square comes. If you pass rectangle class, then rectangle class draw method called, with that rectangle is output. If I pass circle class draw method called, with that circle is output. So in this program, new feature is just sealed class. Now graphics class can be inherited only in 3 classes: square, rectangle, circle. Like that I restricted. That is a new feature. And subclasses must be declared with either sealed or non-sealed or final. That is only new concept in JDK 15. Okay.